Hello, my name is Ulla Saar and I work for the Estonian Children's Literature Center. From behalf of the Tiny Book team, I would like to express our immense joy and gratitude for receiving the Petit Pen Prize. Unfortunately, we cannot be there in person, but be assured that we are very humbled and grateful for the prize. Thank you so much. Our project started on 2021 when Lithuanian, Latvian and Estonian organizations that are promoting children's literature and reading to join forces and create a project called Tiny Books for Baltic Authors. The project brought together 36 children's authors from 3 Baltic states. They worked in pairs to create 18 different books for children aged 6 to 10. The authors created short, illustrated stories that fit on a single piece of A4 paper, are downloadable and printable for free for children to create their own tiny libraries. During these restless times where there are more of us than ever, we also seem to be more divided and lonely than ever. Therefore, our goal as a team was to share the stories that are easily accessible, inclusive, and versatile. So we asked our authors to create stories based on equality, cultural diversity, gender roles, and freedom of speech, to name a few. Subjects that should be addressed from childhood, because children who read and hear stories about diverse world grow up more empathic and understanding of the world they live in. As adults, it's the least we can do for both our children and for our community. The tiny books are also accompanied by methodological materials for parents and educators, encouraging them to read the stories together with their children. The beauty of the tiny books is that being slight in form, they seem so unthreatening that even the children who are not avid readers feel that they can tackle them. Tiny books might be small, but they are full of opportunities. Just give them a chance and they will widen your world. Because, as we know, size doesn't matter. Thank you so much and enjoy the festival.